Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Treats. Today's recipe is a snowball cookies. I know it's not winter yet, but during the lockdown, it's a fun recipe to do with kids. With 4 or 5 ingredients, you can make this delicious cookies, and believe me, you cannot stop eating at one. It's that tasty. I have taken pecans here. As a main ingredient, so you can take any nuts like walnuts or almonds, whatever you like. So I'm going to toast this in the oven for 10 minutes. Already my oven is preheated at 400 Fahrenheit. So we are going to roast this for 8 to 10 minutes. This is an ungreased baking pan, so that this tastes good. So if you have a roasted pecans, you can completely skip this step. So let's see how to make it. I'm going to crush the roasted pecans. It's total 1 cup of pecans, crushed pecans or powder. You can crush it in the mixer grinder. Okay. So we have all our ingredients. So here I have unsalted butter at room temperature. I'm going to add this, and 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, and 1/4 cup of sugar, granulated sugar, and a vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon, and a pinch of salt. I'm going to mix this all. So only this much ingredients and our cookie dough is ready. Mix to coat everything. I'm going to use my hands to make the dough. My hands are washed. You can use gloves if you want. It easily forms a dough, and you can make this gluten-free by replacing the flour with almond flour, and vegan by using coconut oil. Perfect. The dough came together very easily. I can smell the pecan and go to the holiday season, December, and forget about the lockdown. Okay. So the dough is ready. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cling wrap this and put it in the refrigerator for 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, let's cover this in the cling wrap. My kids are eating the dough. They can't stop till I bake, because be careful, raw is not good. Raw flour is not good. Don't give them much. I'm going to wrap this and keep it in the refrigerator for 30 to 40 minutes. Then we'll come back and bake this. My dough rested in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. So I'll just make a small ball. I'm just eyeballing. You can measure it out with like 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoon. My oven is preheated at 350 Fahrenheit. You want to So like this, make nice balls. You don't need to, you can keep the cookies closer, because these won't spread unlike other cookies. Yeah, my kids want to help me doing them. Yeah, that's good. Thank you, Ashi. We'll bake this for 15 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. These are ready now. As I said, it won't spread much and it's very fragile to touch. So you see it's baked nicely. So what we are going to do now is we are coating this 2 times with the powdered sugar. That's how we make this as snowballs. So one when it is warm or hot like this, and the another coat is after 10 minutes when it is cool. So use a fork or a gloves because it will be very hot. At the first coating it won't coat much, but since it's hot it absorbs the sugar and makes it very tasty. So I'm going to dust all the cookies over here. It's hot, be careful while handling it in your hand. Now we are done with the first coating. Still it's hot, so when it is hot it will be very fragile. Don't break it while coating this with the sugar. This is the powdered sugar. So after 10 minutes when this cools down, we'll do the second coating. Now it's ready for the second coating. Now this looks like a snowball, doesn't it? Now this coats better than the last time because of the stickiness it created from the first coat. Cookies are ready. Hope you'll do this. It's a very fun activity to do with the kids at this lockdown. Thanks for watching.